Yeah, they talk like the case closed, but the proof ain't showing up. So I step right in. Let's go. I came up reading real work, not Reddit threads, not TikTok blurbs. I saw Einstein one about truth, how one test can drop a whole claim in the dirt. Popper laid the rule, if it can't get checked, then it ain't no science. But these folks preaching dogma, not data, just vibes and defiance. They yell evolution like a magic wand, but the first cell missing, so the chain fall wrong. No original engine, no start, no run. You can't build a theory when the base ain't done. Gould said the fossils don't bridge that line. Grassay said the gap still frees that spine. Margulies call mutations weak designs, but they act like the lab got life online. There's a gap in the evidence, a hole in the page, a cliff in the story, a pause on the stage. They talk like they solved it, but nothing connects, cause the leap from dirt into life ain't shown yet. There's a gap in the evidence, a king too wide. They cover it with pride, but the facts don't ride. You can claim you believe, but belief ain't proof. You got math, you got words, but you still lack truth. Crick said life looks like miracle spark. Schrodinger said the laws don't cover that arc. Walt said he chose chance not cause it's strong, but cause the other answer cut too long and too sharp. They call that science, that's belief in disguise. When the top guys admit they don't know what life rides. Honest doubt ain't weakness, it's the start of the climb, but they shut that down like questions of crime. Darwin theory needed living self first, but life don't pop from a chemical burst. You can't skip the start, call the middle a cure. That's a scaffold of words, not a lab result pure. You tell me trust math, but the math don't live. Chemicals don't leap, they don't grow, they don't give. To go from dead to live need a code so tight that the smartest on earth still can't write that right. Gap in the evidence, a hole in the page, a cliff in the story, a pause on the stage. They talk like they solved it, but nothing connects, cause the leap from dirt into life ain't shown. There's a gap in the evidence, a canyon too wide. They cover it with pride, but the facts don't ride. You can claim you believe, but belief ain't proof. You got math, you got words, but you still lack truth.
Don't tell me settled, don't tell me done, when the top minds say that the cause unknown. Call it chance, call it fate, call it cosmic spin, but don't call it science when the proof too thin.
I'm not scared of questions, I welcome the fight, but don't rewrite physics to protect your sight. The methods stand firm, you test and you check. You break your own claim if the data don't bless. But what do I see when they preach day and night? A faith in the unseen wrapped up is right. They bow to a system that can't show a start. A religion with lab coats trying to call it smart. So I stand on truth, let the facts hit clean. If the evidence absent, the claim ain't king. I'm cool with not knowing, I don't fear that lane, but don't sell me a guess as a proven thing. Yeah, there's a gap in the evidence. You know what it is. No bridge, no step, no spark, no test, just a canyon and a question and a beat to confess.